Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to import photos on CapCut. How to import photos and edit them on CapCut. To import videos or to import photos rather from your phone down to your CapCut, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your CapCut. So you want to open up your CapCut. So let's wait for that to open up. So once it opens up, what I want you to do from here, if you look very well here, you are going to see where it says new video and edit photo. Because we are here to edit photo, so we are going to tap on edit photo. So let's tap on edit photo. So once you tap on edit photos, it is going to take you to your phone gallery. So what you want to do here is this. You want to select the photos you want to edit. So you can select as many photos as you want. So once you select all the photos you want to use, just want to select them. You can select as many as you want. As you can see, you can select 3, you can select more than 3. So once you are done selecting them, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see where it says create. So I want you to tap on that create. So once you tap on the create, it will take you to the CapCut editing interface where you get to edit these photos. So guys, this is how you can actually import photos from your phone down to your CapCut editing app. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.